Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hi, what's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you yet again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we've got something from South Korea, Mr. Kimchi! And these are stir-fried kimchi ramen. Hey! So, what's the deal here? Cup. Noodle block. Loose bits of kimchi. Sauce at the end. Boiling water. Getting rid of boiling water. And 3 minutes. And we'll put this on top. Good? Good. Good? Good. So yeah, this is from Paldo Food in South Korea, and they shot this over. Thanks a lot. It's basically like you cook it, you drain it, you stir in the sauce. There you go. So I'm conversing right now with my wife. So my son is going through potty training at school right now, and the current thing is to set him up with underpants and then put a diaper over it so it like saves your furniture and everything, but so he gets the uncomfortableness of having a messy like regular underwear. So far, not really much luck. He doesn't really care. He's on the spectrum. It's kind of like if he was really, really into it, I don't know. It's frustrating. He'll get it. But I had this big Ziploc bag with 14 pairs of fresh underwear in it, with his name on the bag, and I believe the name's on every pair of underwear. And they're like, well, we didn't put any on him because there wasn't any in his backpack. Yeah, there were. So now they're gone, and now it's like, what happened? They got taken out at some point. They're not here. As someone who believes in, I don't know, anything could happen, I guess it's possible that they are here and I just can't find them, or they got thrown away. No, I really don't think that's the case. There's the possibility that he got his backpack open on the way to school and it got out in the bus. Possible, not very likely. And I think basically what happened, I mean, they're dealing with so many little kids, and maybe cracking open the bag and pulling it out and set it aside, and somebody runs over and grabs something and it's in it and it goes this way. Sure, simple mistake. So, but yeah, I don't know. It's kind of weird doing this whole school thing, because it's like, hey, wait, where did that thing go? Where did this thing go? Stuff like that. So, nothing against them. I love the place where they go, and the people that he's got for teachers are awesome. So, not a complaint, but just like a, huh, kind of thing going on. But, really love to find that coat. When we did his parent-teacher conference, they're like, yeah, we're looking for that coat. We sent a letter home to everybody mentioning if they saw it, or if they ended up with it, to bring it back and all this. It was a nice coat, though, so you never know. There could be some unscrupulous child's parent of a child. I don't think the child is unscrupulous, but some kid got a coat. Because his coat is gone. I guess it's possible he took it off and... no. He got in the wrong coat. Or it could be there, it's just somewhere missing. I don't know. But it's not really who's to blame. It's where is the dang thing. Right. So, I'm just gonna drain this. Drop it in there. Here it is without any stuff in there. I don't know, it's kind of funny lately. I like did the last review and I was like, hey, I wonder what it tastes like with nothing. Now I'm kind of thinking the same thing with it. I'm going to try it. This will not affect its score, because this is totally not the way it is, just like the last one, but... Interesting. It's like unflavored noodles with a couple little pieces of kimchi in it. It's not bad. I mean, I have a feeling this is going to make it 20 times better, but yeah, it's kind of refreshing. Very light. Subtle. Let's put this goo in here. Looks like barbecue sauce. But to be honest, I've really enjoyed these Mr. Kimchi varieties. They've been quite good. They usually have a nice flavor to them. Come on, Come on! Cooperate, mix in! Does not want to mix in. Not for nothing. Mixa. Baker Acre, help us. Mixa. It's a reference to Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. If you don't have kids and you're some punk kid, it's all good. It's gotta be weird. If you watch this show and you don't have any kids, it's like, oh God, he's talking about kids again. It's weird how different stages of our lives, if we decide to have kids, if we don't, just how everything is like relative or not relative. All I know is, but I like to make a sandwich. I prefer mayonnaise to salad cream. I despise Miracle Whip. To eat Miracle Whip is to be a sadistic, horrible person. But hey, let's give this a try. Pretty good. I like the flavor. The noodle is okay. I would prefer a little more gumption to the noodle, a little more thickness, a little more a little more of a tooth. But I don't like eating teeth, so... But you know what I mean. I like a little more chewiness. That flavor is out of sight. Alright. Can you see anything here? Yeah, you can see it. We need an egg. We need an egg to go on top of the Mr. Kimchi. The last egg that I popped out of one, I think came out real easy. Oh, this one's being difficult. There we go. The question is this one gonna like be a glooby blob? Ooh, look at that. That egg though, wow. Okay. Some springy onion. And I'll put some sesame seeds. I was asked recently by, I'm gonna call him the official, there's like, what do they call it? There's like explainers. You know, it's like, oh, go look for the explainer, blah, 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 blah. Well, there's also the questioner, and I would say the official questioner for this channel is a guy named First Name Last Name. How you doing? First Name Last Name asks, have you ever made something with the light blonde colored sesame seeds as well as the dark black sesame seeds all in the same thing? No. Until today. So here we go. Never done this before. I don't think it really... I don't know if it means something bad, other than it looks kind of off. I think it looks off. You need to comment and let me know if you think this is like a really good choice, or I need to go back to the drawing board on using any sesame seeds. I know there's the Japanese way that sometimes ends up being just like a pile of sesame seeds. I don't know. Come on, let's get you nice and squared away. I'm hoping I end up having a way better setup for this thing shortly. If I do, you will know when and where and why and how. Alright, let's rotato it. Alright. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.